Sister wives, Cody now polygamy pariah. And is Mary Brown secretly married? Also Real Region Robin mocked Janelle about her rock music. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my shocking news channel. Sister wives, star Cody Brown set out to prove something. But instead, it sounds like he morphing into a stigma for another family, practicing polygamy in a TLC series. Cody failed to keep his famous polygamous family intact after setting out to prove something to the world with his reality show. His lifestyle was once an inspiration for a wife from another TLC polygamous series, Seeking Sister Wife. But today, Danielle Merrifield, the star of that show, adamantly shuts down the comparisons to their family with Cody now defunct brood. Cody Brown made quite an impact on reality TV. So, it seems only natural that his polygamous series would collect comparisons. Especially from another show featuring a polygamous lifestyle. But, unlike Sister Wives, where cameras follow Cody and his 4 wives, Seeking Sister Wife has a little more variety. Instead of one family trials and tribulations, the other show offers 3 families as examples of polygamy today. This series covers the search for another wife, the courting stage, and the ordeal of transitioning a new wife into the family. While the Sister Wives fans saw the courting of Robin Brown, followed by the rather rocky transitioning phase into a wife, that was over a decade ago. That's not us. Danielle Merrifield recently rejected a comparison made about her and her husband, Garrick Merrifield, to Cody plural marriage. Danielle says that her relationship with her husband resembles nothing at all, when it comes to Cody Brown and his once 4 wives. She pointed out that because Cody Brown polygamous marriages failed, it isn't a roadmap for all other plural marriages. It's the same case with monogamous marriages. When one fails, it doesn't mean they all will. Danielle was very aware of Cody and his Sister Wives series. She said she started watching the show while still in high school. While the family is in ruins today, that wasn't always the case. She suggested the Brown family had a good thing going for many years. Danielle talked about Cody and his wives. I think they had a lot of problems. It's a lot of work. Relationships are hard. Sister Wives, Cody Brown standard for polygamy today. Cody, his family came on the reality scene expecting to show the world something. Their message was that polygamous families can live very normal lives. He showed up with his TLC reality show on the heels of polygamy getting a bad name in the news. So, he had a bit of a battle on his hands. He needed to demonstrate that all families are not alike in a plural marriage. And he was successful. People warmed up to Cody and his wives. Their kids seemed well-rounded, and their 5 parents demonstrated love and caring within the family. But as time went on, problems piled up. So, today Cody Brown practices monogamy with Robin Brown, the last wife left. Cody was adamant about showing the world they were a typical family. But instead, he had 4 wives, and his kids had 4 mothers. Just like today, Danielle pushes back when they are compared to Cody Brown and his family. Ironically, years back, that's how Cody started. He pushed against the headlines of the dark side of polygamy. Now another series attempts to show that it could work, as it almost did with Cody Brown when signing up for the TLC series. Sister Wives star Mary Brown is getting a lot of attention following her latest social media post. The 53-year-old has been on a journey to finding happiness following her nasty divorce from Cody. She entered a relationship with a man named Amos Andrews earlier this year. But things didn't work out for them after months of dating. But it seems Mary is not done trying to find the love of her life. There are also speculations that she secretly got married. In February, Mary shared a lengthy message confirming her split with Amos. According to the Sister Wives star, life is a series of experiences, and how a person handles it is what they become. It takes courage to face difficult truths, yet it's imperative in order to remain authentic to yourself and your commitment to personal growth, she added before saying their breakup happened a week prior to her post. Mary didn't exactly share the reason behind their split, but she mentioned having difficult conversations with Amos. Just because I care a lot about someone, and me, does not equate to full compatibility for a long-term relationship, she explained. The former first wife of Cody later said that she still honors and cares about the 4 months he had with Amos. Is Mary secretly married? In a Facebook post, Mary shared several pictures of her seemingly getting married to different men. According to the Sister Wives star, she apologizes for being MIA for a week after getting married 5 times. It's clear that Mary Brown was mocking all the fake news and photos circulating online that she secretly got married. But some fans still hope that she did, especially after all the heartbreaks she'd been through. Meanwhile, some commenters can't help but laugh at Mary's post, saying that she suddenly turned into a reverse polygamist. Well, look at it this way: you can be the star of the new reality series Brother Husbands. What is wrong with people? Good Lord. I love your humor about it though. Congratulations on your marriages. I guess they were all quickies. Oh boy, what some people do enjoy your single life and your business. Oh girl. I hope you're honeymooning without all those husbands after. What a job you have on your hands. My goodness. Think of all those weddings and consummations. You must be exhausted. Next up. The new TLC Brother Husbands series. Sister Wives, Mary Brown shares glimpse of latest project. One of the real reasons behind Mary's busy schedule was her new project. The Sister Wives star recently revealed a passion project called Worthy Up, where she talks about all the hardships she'd been through in the hopes of inspiring others. Mary Brown also took to Instagram recently to share a glimpse of her Kuna session, where she talked about the countertop she likes, implying that Worthy Up will also deeply dive into her private life. Sister Wives fans know that Robyn and Janelle Brown have quite a tumultuous relationship. At this point, fans don't think much can be done to repair the relationship. Robyn has frequently shamed Janelle throughout the course of the show. But after Janelle left Cody, one Sister Wives viewer admits they are seeing Robyn's relationship with Janelle in a new light. It's no secret that Robyn Brown often felt jealous when Cody Brown would give attention to his other wives. But recently, one Sister Wives viewer thinks that Janelle's affection for concerts and rock music may have also fueled Robyn's rage. Is this why Robyn's so mean about Janelle going to concerts? A Redditor asked online. I got curious about whether any of the ex-wives purged their socials of Cody after the breakups the way many people do with their exes. Janelle apparently didn't, since pics of 2 concert dates and other pics through the years are still up. Now, I'm looking at the scene a little differently lol. The op attached a screenshot of Robyn saying, you know, when we were in Vegas, she went to several rock concerts and wore black t-shirts and heavy makeup and stuff. They also attached a screenshot of Janelle's Instagram page, indicating she and Cody were at a concert together in September 2017. Cody and Janelle seem incredibly happy and enjoying each other's company. Cody and I may really regret the second night in a row lol. But we could not pass up Depeche Mode. I love the concert opportunities Las Vegas, Janelle wrote. Although Reddit users could not say for sure whether this was the cause of Robyn's pettiness, they agreed the op made a good point. Several viewers shared that Robyn seemed to be clutching at her pearls and judging Janelle for no reason. Other Sister Wives fans wrote, the fact that Robyn considers U2 and Depeche Mode as hard rock explains why she considers flannel black t-shirts. She is trying to imply she got, but these photos are just of her enjoying herself. And Robin can't stand people having fun without her. What Robin wanted to say is she went to several rock concerts and took my husband with her. Oh, she trying so hard to come off as cool and accepting of others, minus but still clutch her pearls with a death grip minus so everyone knows that she is the pure one, who would never wear a black t-shirt or listen to the devil music. Recently, Sister Wives fans have noticed that Christine and Janelle Brown haven't been together as much since Garrison Brown's tragic passing. While the loss impacts each family member differently, some people are wondering if the friendship between Christine and Janelle has been affected. Christine and Janelle Brown became much closer after Cody. Undeniably, the Brown family is still trying to journey on without their beloved Garrison Brown. When Christine and Cody Brown split, part of Christine's grieving process was to grow closer to Janelle Brown. Without the man between them, they found they truly enjoyed one another company. However, the world can be cruel and throw unexpected turns like the loss of a child. Since the passing of Garrison, individually Christine and Janelle have been working through their love and loss of a son. Understandably, it is taking its toll on the entire family. Although Janelle Brown has been using her time to reconnect with family across the country, some fans note they haven't seen much interaction between Christine and Janelle for a while. For instance, on Reddit, one fan asks, "Has Christine moved on from Janelle?" Then explains their question, saying, "Curious if the ride or die besties phase has ended already now that Christine has settled in with her husband and new family. Or is Janelle just sick of Michael T? Understandable." The Galpal posts definitely seem less frequent now. I don't follow the MLM juice, but there haven't been many posts frequently. After the initial post, other sister wives chimed in about the duo less frequent interaction. Undoubtedly, life has changed drastically for both Christine and Janelle Brown. Fans were quick to discuss what they noticed. Janelle has been in it since the funeral. "I'm sure they're just fine. But grief changes things. Janelle has been spending a lot of time with her kids. She traveled with Logan and Michelle for the eclipse. There was a Thanksgiving-style dinner in Flagstaff with Gabe, Savannah, and some friends for an international student. She gone back and forth to Madhya a few times visiting her grandkids, and she planting a garden there with Madhya. Janelle is a grieving mother. I'm sure she is naturally gravitating towards her children and grandchildren. I doubt it's deeper than that. It does seem like she been in it a lot." Christine may also be taking a step back from featuring Janelle in some of her social media posts, while Janelle is coping with her son's death. While Garrison Brown's death has affected both Christine and Janelle Brown, their lives were changing greatly even before his passing. Within the Reddit conversation, other Sister Wives viewers note some of the differences since the last season was filmed. "I think Janelle needs time and space to focus on her children and grieve. I think Christine is grieving and focusing on her husband, and truly. Obviously this could have been a triggering event for David. Truly is rather sensitive. I believe this has been a life-changing event for her, and traumatic. Over the last few years, Truly has been through a divorce, relocation, a family death and other typical teen struggles. It's very weird that you think we somehow see every moment of these women's lives. Posts don't mean that they're close and the absence of posts don't mean that they're not talking. They just suffered a huge loss. Janelle is out and about with her kids and Christine is trying to build her new life in Utah. The audience is sometimes very unkind to them for just being normal people. What do you think about this video? Please told on comment box. Also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.